Hello student, today we have started some multiple choice question MCQ and answer also on engineering materials under mechanical engineering module 4. All these MCQ are very important for competitive exam. Question number 1. Which tool material is the hardest? There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Tool material which is hardest is diamond. Diamond tool is the hardest from those options. Question number 2. White metal is best suited as bearing material for. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. White metal is best suited as bearing material for heavier duty bearing. Okay. Question number 3. Phosphorus sponge is best suited as a bearing material for. There are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Phosphorus sponge is best suited as bearing material for light duty bearings. Question number 4. The abbreviation TTT diagrams stand for. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. TTT diagrams stand for time, temperature, transformation diagrams. Okay. Question number 5. The steel making process used as Tata Iron Steel Works Jamshedpur is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Steel making process at Tata Iron and Steel Works Jamshedpur is acidic Bismarck process. Question number 6. The steel making process used at Rockwell steel plant is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Steel making process used at Rockwell steel plant is duplex process. Okay. Question number 7. Which one of the following is the raw material for all iron and steel product? There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. For all iron and steel product, raw material use pig iron. Okay. Question number 8. Cast iron is a. There are 4 options. Cast iron is a brittle material. Correct answer is A. Okay. Question number 9. In a Rockwell hardness test for testing hardness of low and medium carbon steel, is there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. For low and medium carbon steel, we use in Rockwell hardness testing machine, scale B is used. Scale B is used. Question number 10. In a Rockwell hardness test, for testing hardness of alloy cast iron generally used, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. For alloy cast iron, scale C is used. Okay. Question number 11. In Rockwell hardness testing machine, minor load for all cases is there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. For Rockwell hardness testing machine, minor load for all cases 10 kg. Okay. Question number 12. In Rockwell hardness test, major load for scale B including minor load is there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Major load for scale B including minor load we use 100 kg. Okay. Question number 13. In Rockwell hardness testing machine, major load for scale C including minor load is there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. In Rockwell hardness testing machine, major load for scale C including minor load is 150 kg. Okay. Question number 14. Rockwell hardness testing machine, when reading is a measure of the penetration caused by there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Rockwell reading is a measure of penetration. Penetration means indentation caused by major load only, not minor load, only major load. Okay. Question number 15. Brinell hardness machine, when testing, uses a hardness steel ball of size. There are 4 options. Correct answer is option C. Brinell hardness tester use hardness ball size 10 millimeter. Okay. Question number 16. Which of the following materials would readily fracture if hit by a hammer? There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Cast iron is readily fracture if hit by a hammer. Okay. Question number 17. Iron alloy with carbon up to 2% is called. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Up to 2% carbon iron alloy is called steel. Okay. Question number 18. Iron alloy with carbon in percentage greater than 2% is called, there are four options, correct answer is A. Iron alloy with percentage, carbon percentage greater than 2 is cast iron, is called cast iron. Okay. Question number 19. The copper zinc alloy are known as, there are four options, correct answer is B. Copper zinc alloy are known as brasses. Okay. Question number 20. The copper tin alloy are known as, there are four options, correct answer is A. Copper tin alloy are known as bronze. Okay.